Hey students, good morning. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and you all are doing very good at your places. So students, I am Ananya Modgil, class developer of Emerging 2. So today we're going to start with the very first subject, which is English. So kindly bring out your English book. As you see on screen, this is your writing skills book, so you have to go and bring out your writing skills book. Okay, you must have a sharp pencils with you as well as erasers. So I'm waiting for you. Go and hurry up, bring out with all the material required to start our today's session. Okay, go and bring out. So students, as you see that in our earlier session, previous one, I introduced you the U words, right? So tell me the phonic sound of your letter U. What is the phonic sound? Ma'am, very good. So your U letter will give you sound Okay, can you please give me an example of U letter words? Yes, ma'am. रग rug, very good. So that means आपका जो U letter है that will give you sound with sound sound. Okay, so you have to keep it in mind that what is the sound of particular letter, right? Okay, can you please give me one more example? U three letter words. Yes, ma'am, it's sir, no, sun. Very good. Yes, this one is right. Okay. Can we say that it's per, a, per, pup? Yes, ma'am. Okay. So students, now you come to know that your U letter जो आपका होता है, that will give you sound right? Which sound? U for umbrella. When you said umbrella, so the sound is Fine? Okay, let's move ahead. Now I hope so that you have bring out your writing skills book as well as pencil and erasers. Fine, so let me open your book first. You also have to open your book and come on page number 12 from your book. Okay, come on page number 1 to 12 of your book. If you want to see it, so this is your page number 12, students, right? This is your page number 12 from your book. It will take time to open, right? Okay, so students, this is your page number 1 to 12. If you want to cross check it, so you have to come down. See the number mentioned below. This is your 1 to 12, right? So, as you see this worksheet is related with the same concept. We over here we are doing three letter words with U sound. Okay, so what is the sound? It's a sound. Okay, now this is a new worksheet now. So what you have to do first, you have to fill the topmost column. So come on top and write today date, as well as you have to circle the day. Go outside, check the weather today and circle the clip art. Okay, this you have to do by own, and then we will start our today worksheet. Okay, I hope so that you have done with the topmost column now. Okay, so students, what you observe in this worksheet, सबसे पहले आप देखोगे कि आपने इसमें क्या observe किया. See, यहाँ पर आपको clip arts given है, right? This is a sun, this is a bun, right? So these are the clip arts given to you, and below it there are the names mentioned, right? So what you have to do, you have to write the name of that specific picture, and then you all have to trace it and write by own. Okay, so you have to First of all, you have to trace the formations just to know that how you have to make the formation. Afterwards, in the given space, you have to write the word by own. ठीक है, आप खुद से write down करोगे because you come to know the formation, how you have to formate a letter over here. Okay, now come to the second half of this page. Let's see what we have to do over here. Again, there are the pictures given to you. You have to write the correct word in the given space. First of all, you have to see picture very carefully, that what is given here in this picture. You have to recognize it. See, what is this? This is a dog, right? But what's its name? Its breed name? It's pug, right? Okay, now what the boy is doing? He is running, right? So you have to write over here run, and this you all know, this is a bun. Okay, what we do with the Caesar से आप क्या करते हो? You cut something, right? So what you have to do right over here, cut. Okay, now what is this? This is a bug, right? So you have to recognize these picture and write the correct word in the given space. Okay, so we first of all we start with the upper portion. Come on top, students. Recognize the picture, read the word, and write it in the given space. Okay, so students, the very first picture is sun. What is this? Sun. Have you ever seen a sun? When you go outside and the weather is sunny, so what is there in the sky? That brightest thing in the sky, that is a sun, a round sun, right? So here you have to write by on, there you have to trace it. In the next one, यहाँ पर आपको start करना है, you have to write by on. And again I am saying, students, you have to make the formation similar to it. If S is in between the blue lines, so you also have to write S in between blue lines. Okay, the formation should be same, because I want कि आप अभी से practice करो and improve your writing skills. Okay, so please take ample amount of time, and your all focus should be on your notebook. Don't see here and there while doing your writing part. Okay, so a sound come from you. So n, sun. N sound come from n. Very good. Try to write it with phonic sound. So n, sun. Okay, try to make formation correctly. Don't try, you have to put lots of your efforts. Okay, now see the next picture. What is given over here? Ma'am, this is a bun. Very good. Okay, try to read it with phonic sounds. We will give you sound a, n, bun. Now you have to trace it over here, students, first, and here you have to write by on. So first of all, write b. Make formation correctly. Your formation should be similar to that. Straight line and then make a curve. A sound come from you. You should be in between blue lines. N, bun. N sound come from your letter N. N, bun. Okay, now come to the next picture. What is this? Ma'am, this is a rug. Yes, this is a thick woven material which you use to put it on floor like a carpet. So this is a rug. Rug, right? So here you have to trace by on, and here you have to start right. R sound come from letter R. R, a sound come from your letter U. R, g. G sound come from your letter G. G, rug. Rug, right? So here you have to put G. Is that clear to you, students, how you have to form the formation? Okay, now see the next picture. What is given in this picture? This is a mug. Mug. What is given over here? It's mug. Mug, where you take some tea. See, what is this? This is a mug. What is this? This is a mug. Okay, where we used to drink some tea, right? Okay, fine. So now this is a mug. Now try to write it. The tracing part you have to do by on and start writing from here. This is a m. M sound come from M. 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 Make try to make formation correctly, students, because there is some issue with my pencil. Okay, but you try to make formation correctly. M. A sound come from U. M. A. G. Mug. G sound come from letter G, right? Mug, mug, right? Okay. Now come to the next part. Again, here you have to write the similar words, right? So first one is sun. Sun. Try to make formation correctly, students. So, so, a sound come from letter U. So, N, sun, sun, right? The next one is B. B sound come from B. B, A, B, A, N, bun, B, A, N, bun, right? The next one is your rug, rug, R, A, R, A, G, rug, R, G, rug. Next is M. M sound come from M. M, A, mug, 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 mug. Okay, so this one is done. You have done with the first half of this page. Now you have to come on the second half of this page, right? So I'm moving ahead. Till then you have to complete the first half of this page. All right. So here we are on the second half. So first of all, again you have to recognize the picture and write the word in the given space. So the very first one is done for you all. So what is this? This is a bun. You did it in a previous session as well. So it's burner bun. What is this? Burner bun. So here you have to trace by on. Come to the next picture. Students, tell me, what is this? Ma'am, this is a bug. Bug, bug. So try to write it. So tell me, what is the first letter which I have to write? B sound come from? Ma'am, letter B. Very good. Okay, so I'll write over here B. Okay. Then next is, what is the next sound, students? Ma'am, oh, very good. Okay, it's come from, ma'am, letter U. Yes, it's come from your letter U. And what is the ending sound, students? Ma'am, G. G is the ending sound. Very nice. What I have to write over here? Which letter? Ma'am, G. Good. So, bug. What is this? This is a bug. And you also say it as ladybug, right? Okay, now Come on the next picture. I told you, what is this? Ma'am, this is a pug. This is a dog. And what we call this dog? Pug, right? So here we will have to write pug. So per sound come from, ma'am, letter P. Very good. So here you have to write your P. Per, again a sound come from your letter U. Per, g. Again g sound come from letter G. Per, g, pug, right? Okay, the next one is this. You do it in the first half of this page net. Now I want an answer from you. What is this? Ma'am, rug. Very good. So now write the spelling by own. I don't tell you that what are the spellings you have to write by own. Okay, ma'am. I will write it. R, a, g, rug. Rug, right? So this is a rug. Now, what is this? What he is doing? Ma'am, he is running. Yes. So what you have to write over here? You have to write three-letter words. So run. So here you have to write r. R sound comes from R. R. A sound comes from U. R, no sound come from, ma'am, letter N. Very good. N. Very nice. Run. Okay. Now who will tell me what is this? Ma'am, cut. Yes. Tell me the spelling of cut. Try to make by own with phonic sound. आपने क्या कैसे करना है? You have to say first time cut. So focus on the first sound. Cut. K sound. So k sound comes from C. So first letter you have to write C. Okay. Now focus on the next word. Next sound. Cut. What is the next sound? After K, it's A. So what you have to write over here? Ma'am, U. Very good. Yes, you have to write over here U. Okay, now focus on the ending sound. Cut. What is the ending sound? It's T. So T sound comes from, ma'am, T. Yes. K sound comes from letter T, right? Okay. So in this way, you have to form your words. It's so easy when you do practice of phonic sounds. So you are able to form words by own. Okay. So that's why I'm always telling you that please revise your phonic sound because it is very much important. Okay, students. So I'm giving you some time. Till then, you complete this worksheet. Then we are moving ahead towards our next subject. Okay, hurry up, do it fast, and then we will do the creative work for you. Yes, I am watching you. You have to make formation correctly. Okay, don't come out of the blue lines. Make formation in the same way, just describing in your notebook. Okay. Okay, students, I hope so that you have done with your writing skills part. Okay, now let's move ahead towards our creative session. Okay, so kindly bring out your drawing files with you. Let's start something creative. Let's make something creative today. Okay, so you all have to bring out your drawing files as well as pencil and erasers with you. Today we will draw something new. Fine. Today I'll introduce you a shape. So you all have to draw it. Fine. So I hope so that you all have be ready with your drawing files as well as your pencil. So now first of all you have to write over here the date on top. What's the date today? You have to mention on top, right? And in the middle of your art sheet you have to write this name of the shape. Okay, it's tri, 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 ang, ang, Gull, Gle, gull. Okay, so what we form today? Today we are making a triangle. What we are doing today? We are making a triangle. Fine. So here on top you have to write triangle. Fine. So take your pencil in your hand, students. First of all, you all have to observe that how I am creating this shape, right? So first of all, you have to make one slant line like this. Now, come on the top point from where you start. Come on this top ahead, right? And make one more slant line in the opposite direction. Where is the opposite direction? Here. In this direction, you have to make one slant line. Wait, there is a mistake. Okay, you all have to form a slant line, a straight slant line. So again, I put my pencil on top. So this one is done. Fine. Now what you have to do next? You have to join both of these lines with a sleeping line, a straight sleeping line. Okay, join both of these lines with a straight sleeping line. Okay, so now from here you have to start and join till the second one. So here, what is this? This is your triangle. What is this? Triangle. So how many sides is there? There are three sides. Okay, this is a triangle. Tri means three. What is the meaning of tri? Tri means three. Okay. There are three angles, three sides, or three lines. This shape is made with three lines. What is the first line? This one is the first line. This one is the second line. And this one is the third line. When a shape is made of three lines, we call it as triangle. Okay. So today you all have to form a triangle with the help of your pencil. First of all, you have to make a slanting line. Then come on the top head, make one more slanting line in the opposite direction. Afterwards, you have to join both of these slanting line with the sleeping line. Okay, and your triangle is ready. So hurry up, students. You have to complete your art sheet today. This one is your today task for creative. And which shape is this? This is a triangle. In the previous session, I told you how you have to form a circle, right? So now today we are doing the second shape, which is a triangle. Okay, previous I told you that a round thing is a circle. This one is a circle shape, and today I'll introduce you a new shape, which is a triangle. This one is a triangle, and this one is a circle. So how many shapes you did till now? Two shapes, one circle and one triangle. Okay, so this one is your today task. You have to complete it, and then you have to submit your work on the next morning. I'm giving you some time till then you will complete your art sheet. Yes, yes, you are doing right. Very good. Yes, you all have to make a straight line, right? आपकी straight slant line होनी चाहिए. एंड यस वन मोर टिप, इफ यू वांट टू डू इट विद स्केल, है ना, अगर आप स्केल की हेल्प से करते हो तो वो बिल्कुल स्ट्रेट होगी. सो ट्राई टू मेक द लाइंस, मेक स्लैंटिंग लाइन विद द हेल्प ऑफ स्केल. आप स्केल यूज कर सकते हो. फाइन. Okay, I hope so, students, that you all have done with the art sheet as well. So today in this session, what we will do, what we covered today. First, our English subject. In our English, we did our writing part. Okay, and in creative, I'll introduce you a new shape, that is a triangle. So In your drawing files, you have to draw a triangle. Okay, that's it for your today class. We'll meet in our next session. Till then, revise your concept and stay at your home. That is very much important for you all. Okay, bye bye.